Hello, my friend. Welcome to my English podcast. This is a very easy English podcast for beginners. Today we talk about a film. The film is called School of Rock. It is a comedy from the United States. The film is from 2003. School of Rock is a comedy and a music film. The story is about a musician and some school children. They make a rock band together. It is funny and very energetic. The main character is Dewey. He is a musician and a singer. He loves rock music. He loses his job in a band. He needs money. His friend is a teacher. She asks him to work in her school. He says yes, but he is not a real teacher. He goes to a small school for children. The children are very good at school, but they are not happy. They have many tests. They do not play music. Dewey wants to help them. He teaches them to play guitar, drums, and sing. He makes a rock band with the children. They practice every day. They play loud music. The head teacher comes to the class. She sees the band. She is angry at first. But then she hears the music. She likes it. In the end, the children play in a competition. They are very good. They are happy and proud. Dewey is proud too. Opinion and recommendation. I like this film because it is very fun and loud. The music is great. The children are very cute and talented. It is a good film when you need energy. Outro. Today we learned some words. Musician, band, school, children, test, competition, proud. Thank you for listening to my English podcast. Bye. See you next time.